Hello, my name is Dr. AC Snork, and I have a very serious issue for you today. It's about snoring. This here is the crime scene, so to speak, where every night one of two climbs up the walls, while the other is snoring like hell. In summary, snoring causes more lost sleep, irritability and serious health issues than most people realize. As novelist Anthony Burgess observed, "Laugh and the world laughs with you, snore, and you sleep alone. If you, or your spouse snores, then get a solution as soon as possible before one of you really sleeps alone or one or both of you develops health problems." Click the link on the right side if you want to know more about this issue. Hey, still here? Looks like you're not interested, or no one is snoring in your bedroom.